Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Open Chrome and check menu Help About Chrome so you have the latest fixes. Once done, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings to reach Ads Controls. Make sure the pop-ups and redirects toggle is blocked. This stops many unwanted banners. You also want to note which extensions are active. Disable anything unfamiliar so you can isolate the source quickly. Next, you remove likely causes methodically. Start by disabling extensions one at a time from More Tools extensions. That reveals whether an add-on injects ads. Then clear cache and cookies for sites showing ads to eliminate corrupted data. Go to Clear Browsing Data and choose Cookies and Cached Images. After that, reset site permissions and specifically block ads under site settings. Doing these steps isolates the problem and reduces persistent trackers that reintroduce promotional content. To finish, you must verify and, if needed, troubleshoot. Restart Chrome and load the affected pages in both normal and incognito windows so you confirm whether extensions or profile data caused ads. If ads persist, run a malware scan because adware often bypasses browser settings. Next, reset Chrome to default settings to remove hidden changes. If issues still continue, create a new user profile or reinstall Chrome. That replaces corrupted profiles and usually resolves stubborn ad problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.